In a peaceful village surrounded by green hills and golden fields lived a small rabbit named Lumo who was known for his bright eyes and gentle heart. Lumo loved to explore the village paths where butterflies danced and birds sang from early morning until sunset. Every day felt like a new story to him, and he believed that the world was full of wonder waiting to be discovered. He listened carefully to everything around him and learned lessons from even the smallest moments. Lumo lived with his mother in a warm burrow near an old oak tree that had stood there longer than anyone could remember. His mother often told him stories about kindness and patience and how good actions always found their way back to the one who gave them. Lumo liked these stories and tried to remember them as he hopped through his days. One morning Lumo decided to visit the village pond where many animals gathered. As he hopped along the path he noticed a tiny turtle named Miko struggling to carry a basket of berries that was clearly too heavy. The basket slipped again and berries rolled onto the ground. Other animals walked past without stopping because they were busy with their own plans. Lumo paused and remembered his mother's words about kindness. He hopped over and gently helped Miko pick up the berries and carry the basket together. Miko smiled with relief and thanked Lumo with bright happy eyes. They walked together to the pond talking about the clouds and the breeze and the way the sun sparkled on the water. At the pond Lumo saw many animals sharing stories and laughter. He felt warm inside because helping Miko made his heart feel light. He did not know it yet, but this small act of kindness was the first step in a journey that would teach him important lessons and change the village forever. As days passed, Lumo and Miko became good friends and spent time together near the pond and the fields. One afternoon while playing near the forest edge they heard worried whispers spreading through the village. The old apple tree near the hill had stopped giving fruit and many animals depended on it for food. No one knew why the tree was fading and fear slowly filled the air. The village elders gathered and spoke about the problem, but no one wanted to go near the dark part of the forest where the apple tree stood. Stories said the forest was confusing and easy to get lost in. Many animals chose to wait and hope instead of helping. Lumo listened quietly and felt a gentle pull in his heart telling him that waiting would not make things better. That evening Lumo spoke to his mother about the apple tree. She listened carefully and told him that courage did not mean being big or strong but doing what was right even when it felt hard. Lumo thought deeply about her words as the stars appeared in the sky. The next morning Lumo met Miko and shared his idea of visiting the apple tree to see what was wrong. Miko was slow but wise and agreed that they should try. Together they prepared carefully and followed the winding path into the forest. The trees grew taller and the light grew softer, but they kept moving forward with steady hearts. When they reached the apple tree they saw that its roots were blocked by stones and dried mud stopping water from reaching it. Lumo realized that the tree was not weak but simply needed help. He felt hopeful and ready to act, knowing that even small hands could make a big difference. Lumo and Miko worked patiently together, removing small stones and clearing the dried mud from around the roots. It took time and effort and their bodies grew tired, but they did not stop. They encouraged each other with gentle words and smiles and focused on helping the tree breathe again. As water slowly flowed back to the roots, the apple tree seemed to stand taller as if it could feel the care being given. Leaves rustled softly in the breeze and Lumo felt a quiet happiness knowing they were doing something good. Miko rested for a moment and spoke about how helping others always made the world brighter even if the work was slow. Soon other animals noticed the change and came closer, curious and surprised. Seeing Lumo and Miko working inspired them to help as well. Birds brought drops of water and squirrels helped move small stones. The forest felt alive with teamwork and hope. By the end of the day the apple tree looked healthier and stronger. Everyone gathered around and shared joy and laughter. Lumo realized that courage had grown inside him not because he was fearless but because he chose to act kindly. That night Lumo returned home tired but proud. His mother listened as he shared the story and she smiled gently knowing that her lessons had found a home in his heart. Lumo slept peacefully, dreaming of apple blossoms and friendly faces. Days later, the apple tree bloomed again and its fruit grew sweeter than ever. The village celebrated and shared apples with everyone, including those who once felt afraid to help. Lumo watched the joy around him and understood that honesty and effort had brought trust back to the village. One afternoon, Lumo noticed a young fox named Rilo looking sad near the path. Rilo had taken apples without asking and now felt guilty and afraid to admit the truth. Lumo approached him kindly and listened without judging. He explained that honesty might feel scary, but it always cleared the heart. With Lumo's support, Rilo admitted his mistake to the village. Instead of anger, the animals showed understanding and asked him to help care for the apple tree. Rilo agreed happily and learned that mistakes could become lessons when faced with honesty. Lumo felt proud seeing how kindness and truth changed fear into friendship. He learned that helping others speak honestly was another form of courage. The village grew closer and more peaceful with each passing day. That evening the sun set softly and the village rested, knowing that trust and kindness were stronger than fear. Lumo looked up at the stars, feeling grateful for the lessons he was learning one step at a time. As seasons changed, Lumo continued to grow, not just in size but in wisdom. He learned to listen carefully to others and to be patient when things took time. When younger animals asked for help, he guided them gently, remembering how kindness had guided him. One day a strong storm passed through the village and knocked down many paths. Instead of waiting, Lumo gathered friends and worked together to rebuild them. He reminded everyone that teamwork made heavy work lighter and hearts stronger. The animals worked side by side, sharing laughter and hope. Even when tired, they kept going because they knew their efforts mattered. Lumo felt a warm feeling knowing that the lessons he had learned were now being shared with others. As the paths reopened, the village felt safer and happier. The storm had passed, but it left behind a reminder that challenges were chances to grow. Lumo understood that patience and kindness were not just words but actions chosen every day. Years later, Lumo was no longer the smallest rabbit in the village, but he remained gentle and thoughtful. New stories were told about the apple tree, the forest, and the brave rabbit who helped without expecting anything in return. Lumo smiled when he heard these stories, knowing that true happiness came from helping others grow. He taught young ones that kindness, honesty, patience, and courage were seeds that always blossomed when planted with care. As the village continued to thrive, Lumo felt peaceful watching the sun rise over the hills. He knew that even small actions could change the world and that every heart had the power to make life brighter. And so the story of Lumo reminds us that being kind, being honest, being patient, and being brave in gentle ways can turn fear into hope and make every day a beautiful adventure.